Hey guys, I'm here with the Great Circle chipper, mulcher, shredder, and just wanted to show you. I did a couple of videos of the chute, putting in some big old sticks and stuff. Just going to show you how to start it up and using that top bale just to mulch up a bunch of leaves and random sticks and stuff like that. So I'm going to put this cat back on here. I've already had it nice and warm today, so normally I'd choke it and all that stuff. Little red switch on the other side. Start it on up. Give it a little choke. Turn it up or down. Have it on right here. It's still recording. This right here, I'll open up the top. As soon as I open it up, it'll get louder and wide open. This is fine too, but again, if you're going to be longer than that, you're better